Hey guys, social proof sells. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something online without reading the reviews? On Shopify, adding product reviews can instantly boost trust and conversions. So let's walk through how to add them to your store the easy way. So Shopify doesn't include reviews by default, but there are great free apps to make it happen. Let's start with Shopify product reviews. Navigate to your Shopify dashboard, click on this apps icon, click on all apps and sales channels, and you can click on Shopify App Store button. Now, search for Shopify product reviews. After searching for Shopify product reviews, you'll have to add any one of these applications. You can also search for Judge Me and install Judge Me, a product reviewer app. So if you install Judge Me, you will get more features like photo uploads and review requests. Or you can also add early reviews. Click on install button on this page, then on the next page, click on install again. After you do this, Judge Me will be instantly installed to your Shopify store. Once installed, the app will guide you to embed reviews on your product pages. Some themes support it automatically, but if needed, the app gives you a simple copy-paste code for manual placement that will require no coding skills. Now, you can go into your app settings to customize the review section. You can change the colors, star styles, layout, and more to match your brand, keep it clean and easy to read. You can select the language for using this app. After this, click on Start Setup and this will take you to this page. We'll have to click on Enable App Embed. Now, as you can see, App Embed has been turned on my store. Now, I will go back and click on Continue. After you do this, it will take you to the Install Widgets page where you'll have to install widgets, do the branding, do the request timing, and you can start collecting reviews from your early customers. And if you're using an advanced app, you can set up automated review requests after purchase. You can also manually import reviews if you're migrating from another platform or sourcing from AliExpress. So don't just leave them on product pages. Showcase top reviews on your homepage, landing pages, or even in emails. This is a free marketing built on real customer trust. Adding product reviews is more than just a checkbox. It's your digital word of mouth. The more social proof you show, the faster customers convert. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.